I am Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Mind you, Biafra is not an Igbo thing. In Biafra, we have other languages, we have other people included, because ndi Igbo, again, we practice egalitarian leadership. And so every one of us as Biafrans, we have equal rights. We are seen as the same and we share the same values. Make no mistakes about it. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, is asking just for one thing, for a referendum to be conducted so that the Biafrans can practice what they see as the best form of government on this planet. Led by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he has spoken against the Nigerian way of leadership. Most of you from the eastern part of Africa know him very well. And to make it short for you, he's been discharged and acquitted, but the Nigerian government would not let him go. This is an example of what ndi Igbo are going through. Like I said, what this video is about is to attack the stereotype, the wrong attributes that has been given to an average Igbo that caused people not to be associated with ndi Igbo in the setting of Nigeria. However, most of them still cannot deny, evidently, that without Igbo, the country will suffer. The country will starve. The country will be left behind. Therefore, they will do everything within their reach, everything within their power, not to let Igbo come up to a leadership position. Same with the Luos, wherever they find themselves. Something really interesting that I want to point out here is that ndi Igbo themselves have been brainwashed. I have a video I want you to watch. The Igbo case, the ndi Ikwere. This one is the most mind-boggling thing I have experienced, Doka Onyebo. I once transacted with a certain driver, had to pay him for his service. Oh, his name is Ogochuku. Ha, sir, Ebo one name okay. No, I'm from Delta State. I'm like, Delta State? Yes, Delta Igbo. He was quick to dismiss that. If the Igbo case would stay here, somewhere in Benin, Edo State, and speak and talk, I will understand 100%. I said 100% of whatever they are saying in their dialect. And this is pure Igbo. You will understand it more than some of our brothers from Abakaliki and Wawa area. Ibundi Ibankinasu. But touch them, they will tell you, I am not an Igbo person. So, this is a brainwashing thing. Our brothers from Ikwere, when they talk, you know, they are speaking Igbo language. And so even within the Nigerian setting, we have been so divided that we don't even know who we are anymore. Your name is Ifani Chuku, and you say you are not Igbo. And the meaning of your name is there is nothing hard for God to do. Your name is Okechuku, and you're not Igbo. Your name Bundidi, meaning patience, is in Igbo. And yet, the words in your mouth, I can understand 100%. Who did this to us? This is a wake-up call to every Igbo speaking community to stand up and reunite, to stand up and recognize who we are. Aha gị bụ Sunday Olise, ị na-asụ asụsụ Igbo, isi na Igbo onye is Delta first of all, a name of look up the meaning of Delta. And so all this twisting, mixing, dividing of the Igbo race has come to an end finally. And they are like, aha moment. No, let us come together, recognize each other. I got Bafra very, very soon. I said so. I gave me a proper homecoming. I don't know where that is going to be, but we must make it happen. For the Luos, hey, watch the space. I'm going to be dropping this. You're going to be patient with us. We are going to be traveling. We are going to be doing deeper and deeper and deeper research. We are going to be bringing our people together because Igwebike. I'm bringing this to a wrap, and I want you to know, as Onyibo, you are resilient. You are strong. You are brave. This is why Isiago is our cultural attire. You are fearless. You are embedded with wealth. You are infused with wisdom. You will go places with nothing and come back with lots of things because you have an influx of wisdom and information available to you naturally from Chukwokike. That I want you to know. Because when you start believing in yourself, when you start knowing who you are, when you start understanding the things that comes together and make you who you are, then where you come from will begin to make sense. As traders and business magnates, Ndi will display an unparalleled mastery of logistics, marketing, capital allocation, and sheer unstoppable work ethic that continues reverberating across Africa and the diaspora worldwide. And so, as we reflect on the awe-inspiring legacy bequeathed by Ndibo, from their rainforest warrior roots to their vanguard status as agricultural geniuses, artistic visionaries, and economic titans. And that we are going to talk about extensively in our next video. But until then, akabukwa mwadunu splendor ngozi.